Hey pickleball fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for any pickleball player: the best pickleball paddles of 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've got something for everyone. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Persis Mod TA15 Pro Pickleball Paddle. The Mod TA15 features a 16mm Gen 3 propulsion core that means enhanced stability, improved handling, and precise shot placement. Every time you step on the court, you can expect the same solid performance. The paddle is built with a charged carbon surface. What does that mean for your game? It maximizes energy return, giving your shots a more dynamic and responsive feel. You'll definitely notice the difference in power and control, especially during fast-paced rallies. Now let's talk about comfort. The paddle comes equipped with a Black Feel-Tech Pure Grip. It's ergonomic, tacky, and comfortable, perfect for maintaining a secure grip even during intense exchanges. With a grip length of 5.5 inches and a circumference of 4.25 inches, it fits most hand sizes comfortably, so you can focus entirely on your play. This paddle is USAPA approved, so whether you're playing casually or in competitive tournaments, you're meeting the highest standards in the sport. Weighing in at around 8 ounces and measuring 16.5 inches in length and 7.5 inches in width, the Mod TA15 strikes that sweet balance between power and maneuverability. It's designed for professional-level players, especially those in the 200-plus rating category, but it's versatile enough for intermediate players looking to step up their game. The construction is solid, the performance is consistent, and the feel is premium. If you're ready to take control of the court with a paddle engineered for power, precision, and comfort, the Persis Mod TA15 Pro might be just what you need. Number 4. Juiceo Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. The Juiceo Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is built for serious players who demand high performance, lasting durability, and all-day comfort. This paddle combines advanced materials with smart design to help you bring your best game to the court. At its core, it features a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb structure that strikes the perfect balance between lightweight handling and solid strength. It's responsive and sturdy, making it ideal for players who want precise control without sacrificing power. The paddle's face is crafted with a hybrid of carbon fiber and fiberglass. This powerful combination delivers excellent shot control while boosting durability, ensuring the paddle holds up under intense play. Whether you're driving from the baseline or dropping a delicate shot at the net, the Juiceo paddle performs reliably. One standout feature is the rib technology, which enhances the paddle's sweet spot and gives players a more consistent and comfortable feel on every hit. This means better shot accuracy and a more connected feel with every swing. Comfort is essential, especially in long matches. The Juiceo paddle is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue and improve grip. Weighing just 220 to 230 grams, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, helping you stay agile and focused during extended play. Each paddle undergoes strict quality control, including a comprehensive deflection test in line with USAPA standards. While the standard requires testing at 3 points, Juiceo goes above and beyond by testing 9 points across the paddle face. This ensures excellent performance, consistency, and durability throughout. The paddles are manufactured using a high-pressure carbon fiber layup process, molded at high temperatures with 100 tons of pressure. This results in a strong, stable construction you can rely on match after match. Juiceo is also committed to excellent customer service. If you receive a damaged paddle, they'll replace it after verification. Their support team is responsive and ready to help, from order tracking to addressing any concerns. Your satisfaction is their priority. If you're looking for a paddle that delivers power, precision, and comfort, all backed by quality engineering and support, look no further than the Juiceo Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. Play with confidence, swing with ease, and elevate your game. Number 3. Ruby Red Kevlar Pickleball Paddle. The professional Ruby Red Kevlar Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance tool designed for serious players who demand precision, durability, and ultimate control. Crafted with cutting-edge materials, The ruby red pickleball paddle features a Kevlar surface that delivers unmatched durability and resilience. Whether you're playing indoors or outdoors, this paddle is built to withstand impacts without losing its edge. The advanced hot pressing technology used in its construction ensures a balanced and responsive feel, giving you the perfect combination of control and power with every swing. The paddle's core is made from a robust 16mm carbon fiber layer, providing the ideal balance between strength and responsiveness. This thickness allows you to execute powerful shots while maintaining control, whether you're aiming for a precise drop shot or blasting a fast-paced drive. What sets this paddle apart is its USAPA approval. This official sanction guarantees that the paddle meets the high standards of the United States of America Pickleball Association, ensuring it's tournament ready. It's designed to perform at the highest level, making it the perfect choice for both seasoned players and newcomers looking to elevate their game. Weighing in at a lightweight build, the ruby red pickleball paddle offers quick maneuverability, which is essential for fast rallies and quick reflexes. It's not just about power, it's about reacting swiftly and maintaining control during long, intense games. With the enhanced grip and spin provided by the ruby Kevlar surface, you'll be able to execute spins and shots with precision that's hard to beat. Whether you're competing in a tournament or enjoying a casual game with friends, this paddle will elevate your performance and give you the confidence to perform at your best. If you're looking for a high-quality, USAPA-approved pickleball paddle that combines strength, control, and durability, the ruby red Kevlar paddle is the perfect choice for you. Number 2. HY Persis 14mm Pickleball Paddle. The Ben Johns Persis 14mm pickleball paddle is designed for players who demand the highest level of performance and durability. USAPA approved, this paddle stands out with its innovative 3-layer thermoforming technology, ensuring both a balanced sweet spot and outstanding durability. The core construction features Toray T700 raw carbon fiber, known for its superior resilience and rotational friction, making it an excellent choice for fast-paced competitive play. Weighing in at just 220 grams, this paddle is lightweight yet powerful, allowing for quick swings and excellent maneuverability. The ergonomic 14cm grip length provides a comfortable, secure hold, reducing fatigue during extended play sessions. Whether you're an attacking player or someone focused on control and defense, the Ben Johns Persis paddle offers versatility to fit your unique style. For those who prefer an attacking approach, the 16.5 by 7.5 inch flat-topped shape is ideal, offering the perfect balance between power and control. If you're more of a defensive player, the 16 by 8 inch racket with a larger sweet spot helps with stability and ball control. The 14mm core thickness adds to the strength and control, giving semi-professional and professional players the edge they need in competitive play. With cutting-edge technology and premium materials like Toray T700 carbon fiber, this paddle is made for elite performance, ensuring you'll have the best tool for your game. Whether you're working on your forehand, backhand, or volleys, the Ben Johns Persis CFS paddle is engineered for top-tier performance at every level. If you're looking to elevate your pickleball game, the Ben Johns Persis 14mm paddle is the perfect choice, offering precision, power, and control with every shot. Number 1. Asgarrett Scorpius 3S Pickleball Paddle. The Scorpius 3S features the Gen 3 propulsion core, a design that enhances explosive power on your drives, counters, and speed-ups. Whether you're playing at a fast pace or slowing things down for a drop shot or dink, the propulsion core ensures a refined feel and control, making it versatile for all types of shots. The carbon fiber surface of the paddle is treated with an additive bonding process, which strengthens the material for a crisper, more responsive feel. This means when you make contact with the ball, you get impressive feedback and a poppy response, improving your overall performance. The increased energy return also ensures that you hit with more power, whether you're sending the ball deep or making precision shots. What sets the Scorpius 3S apart even further is its sweet spot optimized shape. This specially engineered design provides a larger sweet spot, giving you better consistency and performance across a variety of shots. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, this paddle helps you hit with precision and power every time. Of course, every Asgarrett Scorpius 3S paddle meets the official performance standards of pickleball, and it is USAPA certified. That means it's tournament ready and approved for official play, so you can trust its performance on any court. If you're ready to take your game to the next level, the Asgaret Scorpius 3S Pickleball Paddle is the tool you need. With its combination of explosive power, control, and durability, this paddle will help you unleash your full potential on the court. So there you have it. 5 amazing pickleball paddles for 2025, each catering to different playing styles and budgets. Whether you prioritize power, control, or spin, there's a paddle on this list for you. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more pickleball tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you out on the court.